Join me as I take on the challenge of caring for my car like a pro. Can I keep it in top shape with just a few simple tricks? Taking care of your car can seem like a daunting task, but trust me, it's easier than you think. With just a few simple tips and tricks, you can keep your ride looking and running like new. Many of us think that car maintenance is all about getting regular oil changes and replacing worn-out parts. And while those things are important, there's more to it than that. Some people believe that washing your car every week and waxing it every month is the key to a showroom shine. But what's really going on under the hood? The truth is, many car owners struggle to keep their vehicles in top shape. We get busy, and before we know it, our car's paint job is chipped, the tires are worn, and the interior is a mess. But it doesn't have to be that way. I've seen people spend a fortune on fancy cleaning products and gadgets, only to end up with a car that still looks and feels old. And that's because they're not addressing the real issues. So what's the secret to keeping your car like new? Regular oil changes are a no-brainer. Your car's engine is made up of hundreds of moving parts, and without proper lubrication, they'll grind to a halt. Make sure to check your owner's manual for the recommended oil change interval, and stick to it. Tire maintenance is just as important. Underinflated tires can lead to decreased fuel efficiency and increased wear on your car's suspension. And let's not forget about tire rotation. It's essential for even tread wear and extending the life of your tires. Keeping the interior clean is also crucial. Not only does it make your car look and feel great, but it also helps to prevent damage to the upholstery and carpets. Vacuum the floors and seats regularly, and wipe down the dashboard and console with a damp cloth. But here's the thing, all these tips and tricks are just the beginning. There's one simple habit that can save you a ton of money and extend the life of your car. And that habit is checking your car's fluids regularly. Your car's fluids are its lifeblood. They keep the engine, transmission, and brakes running smoothly. And yet, many people neglect to check them until it's too late. So make it a habit to check your oil, coolant, transmission fluid, and brake fluid levels every time you fill up on gas. The benefits of regular car care are numerous. Not only will you save money on repairs and maintenance, but you'll also extend the life of your car. And let's not forget about the pride of ownership. There's nothing quite like driving a car that looks and feels like new. So, there you have it, a few simple tips and tricks to help you care for your car like a pro. Remember, it's not rocket science. With a little bit of effort and attention, you can keep your ride looking and running like new. If you've got your own car care tips, leave them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more automotive advice, be sure to check out my video on 10 essential car maintenance tips for a smooth ride. Thanks for watching.